I've had this air fryer for 3 days and the door is already not functioning. It's so loose that it disengages unless you push on it.
So I ordered a brand new product from Amazon. Just got it out of the box. Thought it was cool that it came with these oven mitts that I didn't expect, but then I saw rust and crumbs, all this cool stuff. Yeah, let me wiped away a few things from here. This bad boy out. Hard to tell, but disgusting. Thanks for sending me a used product. Haven't even plugged it in yet, thank goodness. A little dent there, a little dent over here, some rubbing marks. Not happy because I just exchanged it for another air fryer and I am just not in the mood for another return, but I guess that's gonna happen.